Hello, I'm Mark McCrindle, a social researcher based here in Sydney, Australia, and I'm looking forward to heading over to Spokane, Washington to join you at the NACUFS National Conference. Well, I spent a lot of time researching the emerging generation, the global generation, Generation Alpha. Just written a book on this global generation, and not only are they globally connected, but they're the largest generation in history. They're the most technologically supplied and materially endowed and influential generation, and as they emerge through our schools and universities and tertiary institutes, they are transforming the landscape. So I'm going to talk to you about this global generation and the impacts they will have now and into the future. What a great theme that you have for the conference, Finding Your Reason. And I'm going to be talking about how we need to renew and reimagine and refocus as we rebuild for this bright new future ahead. Look forward to seeing you